Conserving our natural resources. Who benefits and how do they benefit? Conserving our natural resources will benefit the earth, nature, and the people worldwide. One of the ways to conserve our resources is to recycle. We can reduce the waste, reuse it, and recycle. Instead of taking away from the earth, we can reuse the materials that we have by melting them down and reforming them. Recycling also reduces the landfills. If people in the U.S. would reduce the amount of waste we use each day, the number of landfills can be reduced by half. The land can be better used as a wildlife refuge. Try to imagine a world without clean air, water, land, trees, and an ocean. That's almost unimaginable, but it can happen. Our natural resources exist in a fragile balance and are sensitive to environmental changes. Conserving our natural resources will help keep the balance of our environment and protect the Earth's resources and sustain the world's food, fuel, shelter, and medicine needs. I want to read the statistics that I found. And in 2009, the NRCS Natural Resource Conservation Service provided technical assistance to thousands of landowners across the state of Arkansas. They helped write conservation plans for over 300,000 acres and applied all conservation techniques to more than 642,000 acres across the state. These techniques educated landowners about different conservation practices such as no-till farming, animal waste management systems, grazing, and efficient irrigation systems, which will help protect the environment. Some agriculture teachers in the state of Arkansas have taken on conservation as a classroom project. They have taken their students outside and started letting them plant trees. I had a picture of some students in Arkansas that were planting some trees, and they have learned about them. They're learning about them by identifying which tree is which, and they're learning to take care of them and what they do for our environment. The students have learned how the trees provide wildlife habitat and food, and if those types of trees are used for lumber or firewood. They also learn how the trees provide protection from wind and soil erosion. These are some examples of who benefits from conserving our natural resources. We all need to do our part in protecting the environments. Humans created the problems, so we can fix it. Every difference makes our planet a little bit better each day. Every person deserves to live a healthy and prosperous environment in which our communities are committed to care and valuing nature for the future generations. You wouldn't want your kids growing up in a nasty environment. And to accomplish this vision, everyone must work together to conserve our natural resources, which in turn would provide a stable climate, fresh water, healthy soil, and reliable food to feed people and wildlife far into the future.